Hello, my dear friends. Your host Shurma here. A very warm welcome to you all, and I'm so glad you chose to stop by today. I have a fun project to share with you, and that happens to be a dot mandala painting. This will be my second tutorial in the mandala series. Today's mandala design will be a beautiful mix of yellow, red, and white. In case you have never created a mandala before, don't worry because I'm going to handhold you through the entire process. So let's dive in. Here is the list of supplies which I would be using for today's project. Let's begin with chapter 1, planning the mandala design. I begin with a black watercolor piece of paper. It is around 3.5 inches by 5.5 inches in size. I have a pencil, a ruler, and a compass. I am going to use these tools to create some marks and dots on the black piece of paper, so please watch me carefully. I am trying to divide the black paper into 4 equal halves. You will get to see in a bit. Once I'm done dividing the paper into 4 equal halves, I move on to create semicircular designs on the paper with the help of the compass. I am reducing the radii of the circles as I move towards the center. I hope you can see the pencil marks clearly. I keep on repeating the same design, and this is what I have right now. Let's move on to chapter number 2, that is creating the dot mandala with acrylic colors. So here I have the panel with me along with some colorful tools. Now these are dot mandala tools. Some of them are simple cylinders starting from thin to thick, and then we have some tools which have little balls on the heads, and these balls are of various sizes and they help to create the dots. These are the cylinders which I just mentioned. Now, this is a plastic palette and it has 3 acrylic colors: white, red, and yellow. I have picked up this particular tool and it is quite wide, as you can see, and I'm dipping it in the red acrylic color. I'm also using a little scratch paper to keep underneath the black paper. So I start with the central dot. Next I pick up white acrylic on another tool which has a small ball on its head. I'm using it to create tiny white dots. Please follow me as I create the mandala design. It is not difficult at all, and if you follow the process carefully and you get a hang of it, you can create mandalas of your own. Wouldn't that be interesting? I'm picking up different tools every time to create dots of different sizes. Mandala is pure geometry. It is a Sanskrit word and it means the sacred circle. It represents universe, unity, harmony, and wholeness. It symbolizes infinity and the never-ending quality of life. It is used as a spiritual tool for focusing attention and establishing a spiritual space as an aid to meditation. It represents the spiritual journey starting from outside to the inner core through the layers. Amazing, isn't it? Once you get a hang of painting mandalas, you will not be able to put down the tools. Mark my words. It helps you to focus, yes, but it is also a beautiful experience. Just by creating the mandala, I feel immense inner peace. So you must try it if you haven't so till now. And if you already have painted mandalas before, then you will know what I mean. So here I've come towards the end of this particular mandala design. I'm just adding some white dots to complete the circle. Painting mandalas is really therapeutic, and it is an amazing experience every time I do it. And I would highly recommend that you also pick up your tools and make some of your own. This is the second last layer of red dots, and I will finish it off with a layer of yellow dots and some more white dots. Is it looking pretty so far? What do you think, my dear friends? Let me know in the comments below, and if you have more questions about painting a mandala, do let me know in the comment box below. I would be very happy to read your comments and answer your queries as well. So here is the first of the 5. I go on to paint the rest of the designs, and this is the completed look of the panel. Now let's create a note card with the help of this panel. I brought in a white side folding note card base, a red panel, and I already have the painted mandala panel. I also have a little sentiment saying best wishes. When I put them all together, this is how it looks finally. Dear friends, that brings us to the end of today's project, and I hope you had fun watching me create the Dot Mandala painting on the note card. So, if you have any queries, suggestions, do put them down in the comment box below, and it would be a pleasure to hear from you. Also, please follow me on my social media handles, and it would be great to be in touch with you. My friends, old and new, immense thanks for following me in my art journey. I will try to bring more and more interesting content so that you enjoy this journey along with me. And also, thanks for watching till the end. We'll see you very soon in the next tutorial. Till then, take good care of yourself, and bye-bye.